Good afternoon everyone, and welcome to the July 2024 update here at Moongate Antigua. Delighted to be able to show you around, and right now I'm standing in the footings of the main kitchen and back of house space for catering at the main guest area. Right here the golf cart turning circle will be, and then there will be a Moongate here to allow it access into the cafe, and this will be one of two on the property, one here and one entering from the guest areas onto the main outdoor seating area at the bar. So immediately here on my left, building number 6, which is being formed up for the columns and lintels on the 3rd level, and then next to that is building number 7, which is having the floor slab on level 3 formed up, ready for casting. So where I'm actually standing now is where the main chandelier will hang from the reception building's main lobby. So in terms of update, now that the blinding and backfilling is finished, plumbers and electricians will be in here to do all of the electrical and plumbing roughings. Then we can cast the floor slab, and the masons can start the intricate job of the cut stone on the front of the building. It may not look like it, but there's almost 8,000 plants jammed in here ready to go into the gardens. Already the hummingbirds and other birds have found them, and these will all be taken into the main property and planted out. Since we were last standing here, we're up to the top of the block work on the sewage treatment plant, and all the way down to the end we're up to the first ring beam on all the other service buildings. In addition to Hayden and his group, we've now got another team here who's doing the bar, cellar, swimming pools, restaurant and terraces, along with an extended team who's doing reception, service areas and the kitchen. So thank you everyone for visiting with us for our July 2024 update. Looking forward to seeing you all in August.